What's up guys, it's me, obviously. Today, obviously, there isn't a vlog because this is going up today. Because I didn't vlog yesterday. Yesterday was just too much and I went home early from school. So I just decided not to vlog, so that's why. I'm doing the Q&A, like I just said, ask me a bunch of questions on my community tab. Puma's in my room. She might fall asleep, I don't know. Did you know they came out with a YouTube Rewind 2019? So I'm just gonna answer all the questions and some of them I might not answer. I'll just go around. What is your favorite song? You can't ask me that. Like, I'm gonna give you like 8 songs that I like. I'll give you like my top 3 right now. Keep My Cool by Lil Peep, Disorder by Joy Division, and Memoirs of a Gorilla by Suicide Boys, and Maniac by Conan Gray. There, I give you 4. If you could disinvent one thing, what would it be? I think disinvent one thing. We can't disinvent people's actions. So, like an item. YouTube Rewind 2019. What's your favorite movie? I'm just gonna say Coraline because that's the easiest thing to say for me. Things, aka... Huh?
So what about The Conjuring?
Oh, The Conjuring. The Nightmare Before Christmas.
See?
Insidious. There you go. Things, aka habits you do without realizing. I
dance.
Yeah, I dance. This is at home. I sing loudly, but actually I do that at school too. Oh, I bite my lip, like trying to get the skin off. Whenever my lips do get dry, and it's been really cold lately, so I've been doing that a lot, and then I get bruises on my lips. Scale of 1 to 10, how gay are you? Like a, I don't even know, like 20? I don't know. I don't want to say like 1,000 because that's stupid, but like 20. Because I do not like guys in that way. I don't hate men. People think that lesbians hate men. I don't know why. We don't hate you guys. Like, we literally don't. I just don't want to be in a relationship with you. Now that the 2010s decade is ending, which trends are the most regrettable? I think the scene phase. Basically, if you don't know what that is and you're young or something, my aunt did this. You cut your hair. I had bangs like this because my mom let me. Basically, you bring a bunch of hair to the front and it's like really fat, and then it's like I don't know, it's like that. And then like they would dye their hair like every week. And also a trend of people saying that having a mental breakdown and like your life is over, you dye your hair. I don't know why that became a thing and why people think that's okay to think that depression involves dyeing your hair instead of going to a therapist. I don't know. I've been seeing that a lot on TikTok and I'm like, it's not funny. It's literally not funny. I don't know. There's a lot of trends that I don't like, but I mean, I can't like say all of them, you know. Favorite music genre? Probably
rock.
Yeah, I don't want to say like rock, but it is kind of, right? Like most of what I listen to, or like I've been getting kind of annoying.
Sad rap.
There you go. Sad rap, and also just rap. I've been listening to that a lot more lately. I don't know why. What do you look for? Let me say that again. What do you look for? What do you look for in a person in a relationship? Manners. Loyalty. Like, I made this mistake of not being friends with the person before I was with them, and it did me dirty. I want to get to know that person more so that I can look for those things in a person now that I'm like getting older and everything. So, yeah. And I don't think, honestly, like I don't think I can. Like I want to, but then I don't at the same time because I'm broken. But I don't want to be with someone until after high school because the only thing that my girlfriend would hear out of my mouth is, sorry, I can't. Oh, my mom's not letting me go. Like, because they don't want me to date in particular. Like Pumbaa, she has a boyfriend right now. She's not allowed to go on dates with him.
Call me out, dude.
I've already told them on a vlog. And it's in a video and everybody knows. Whatever. So she has a boyfriend and they don't love it, but they're not like, break up with him. But they don't like it, just like they didn't like when I had a girlfriend. But I wasn't allowed to go on dates. She's not allowed to go on dates. She's also in 8th grade. And we just can't do a lot of things because we have strict parents, which I'm not saying I hate it, but I don't love it either. But I don't think it's fair to my girlfriend if I were to be with someone and I can't even go on a date with them or like hang out with them at home. I don't know. So that's another thing. I don't know. And a person that's understanding, because our situations, they need to understand. And Puma got lucky with this one. And I got lucky too with my ex-girlfriend. She understood a lot for a long time, and I appreciated that. So, an understanding person too. Pet peeves. People walking slow. I cannot stand that. That's just one of my biggest pet peeves, so I'm not even going to say anymore. Do you like listening to Mexican music? All the time. Me and my mom recently like started listening to it just in the car, just because, like, on our way to places. Puma loves it so much. Unique Sanchez, you know who you are. You come on every single one of my videos. Personal thoughts of me. Just kidding. Real question. Are you a gamer? Who's your recent crush? I'm not a gamer. Like, I can't say I am, because I don't play anything enough to consider myself a gamer. But if I do play something, I'm either playing Dying Light again. I almost said Mexican instead of Minecraft. Minecraft or
Scooperia.
oh yeah. Cool math games. Ugh, love cool math games. And who's my recent crush? I don't have a crush. I just think this one girl in my math class is really cute. I had a crush about a month ago, and we stopped talking. But I was talking to this girl for a while, and then, like, it wasn't working because of my situation, and she also goes to a different school. I had a crush on her for a while, and, like, I don't know. I recently started, we just, like, talk every now and then. Like, we're not talking like that anymore. We just talk, like, about whatever. But besides that, I just think this girl in my math class is really cute, but she's straight, I think. But everybody I've known that knows her says that she's straight, so. Genuine question. How are you doing? How is your mental health / physical health? What are your fitness goals, and would you ever consider starting a fitness Instagram? Well, I'm doing okay-ish. I don't know. I'm just going through something, like, mentally that I don't even know what is wrong with me. But it's been going on for, like, 2 or 3 weeks that I'm just, like, stuck in a rut. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. And my physical health is pretty okay, I guess. And what are my fitness goals? Just to maintain where I'm at right now. And to lift more as I get older. Like, I'm going to continue lifting. And a fitness Instagram, whenever I do get Instagram, I don't think I would do a fitness Instagram unless I really got passionate about it. But would you date a fan / subscriber? Yes and no, because let me put it this way. This person, if they've been watching me for a while, they know everything about me. And if they watch my mom's channel, they know everything about me. And I don't know this person at all. And they know me. And I don't even know them. You know, like, thousands of people out there know me right now. And I don't know a single thing about any of you. So I think it would be kind of weird. But, I mean, if it happened, it happened. But I don't think that it would, honestly. Because you just know so much about me and I don't know anything about you. Obviously, I would get to know you, but I would tell you something. You'd be like, oh, I know. And I'd be like, right, you already knew that. So, I don't know. Maybe. Possibly not, though. Around how much money do you make on YouTube? Where would you move to if you could? I'm not going to share how much I make. Just because not a lot of YouTubers do. And I don't want to. So. And where would I move if I could? Oregon. If you could witness any event in the past or future, what would it be? I'd want, like, a 2-minute video of where my life is at when I'm, like, 23. Like, I want to see what I'm doing for 2 minutes. What I'm doing when I'm, like, 23. In my 20s. I want to see if I'm in college or I graduated. I don't know. If I have a wife yet. Like, I want to know, you know? Probably not, though. 'Cause I don't know. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Graduated, in college, living my best life. I don't know. Can I drink in 5 years? I can. I'll be 21 in 5 years.
Oh yeah.
If you had $2,000, what would you do with it? Buy a bunch of shoes and clothes. And, that's pretty much it. Oh, and a bunch of posters to finish my room. And a huge strip of LED lights. Oh, and maybe, if I'm feeling froggy, buy Puma a new phone, because her phone sucks. What's your favorite mukbang and film with your mom, and why? Sushi, because it's not fat and I enjoy sushi. Are you scared that college is so near? What college do you have in mind? I am scared, but at the same time I'm not. Like, I'm scared to grow up because I literally only have a year of high school left. I have a year, or no, let me, we were in school for 9 months, right? 14 months left of being a teenager. Like, that's scary. You know, I have a year and some months just to chill. And then after that, I'm going to college. Obviously, I'm not going to like straight up like, bye, I'm leaving the day I graduate because I'm not even 18. 1, 2, I'm not ready for all that. And 3, I hope that I have more, like I'm making more money on YouTube and I either have a job or something by that time so that I can move out. But I'm scared to like be on my own, but I'm also not because then I can make my own decisions. But at the same time, I'm scared because I don't have anybody to guide me. So I don't know. How do you deal with negative people who say things about you having a channel or making videos with your mom? This doesn't really apply to me. Do people at school try to criticize you for making mukbangs? No. Honestly, like, people in high school, I don't know if you're in high school or not, but people in high school genuinely do not care what you're doing. They don't care. Whereas Pumbaa's in middle school and 6th graders come up to her and like talk to her about my mom and doing videos with her. So she's asleep. But me, nobody, like, I've only talked to like 3 or 4 people at my school in the past 2 years that have said something about my YouTube channel. So I don't really care if they did. What's the most important thing to you in a relationship? By the way, I love watching your TikToks. Thank you. They're really cringy, but honesty. Like, I just want you to be honest with me because, and like, to not be annoyed by me because I'm really insecure, and so I'll ask over and over, like, are you okay? Also because I just care about you so much. When I genuinely care about a person a lot, I care about you to the point where you don't even know what to do. So I don't want you to be annoyed by how much I care about you and I worry about you daily. You know what I mean? So someone that's like doesn't get annoyed easily or like likes the clinginess. I don't want to say I'm like clingy, but I'm also not clingy. Have you ever had cavities? Yeah, like as a kid, but I haven't had any lately. Are you single? Yes, sir. When is your birthday? But August 13th. When can you get Instagram? I have no idea. What do you... There's a lot of questions about relationship. What do you look forward in a person relationship-wise? Always having someone to go to and someone that cares about you and that you know that they care about you, as long as it's not toxic, of course, but like someone that you know cares, you know? Like you don't have to worry about being alone because you have that person. Do you and your ex still talk as friends? We don't hate each other at all. We've talked. We haven't talked in a while, but I saw her today at school and like it was like that smile when they walk by. I don't know. But we don't hate each other. Like, I don't want to say we're not friends, but we're also not friends. I don't know if that makes sense. But we don't hate each other, so I guess that's good. Or at least I don't hate her. I don't know if she hates me. Do you still consider... Okay, you didn't watch my other video. Do you still consider yourself bi, or do you label yourself as lesbian, or do you not believe in labels? I haven't considered myself bisexual since 9th grade. I've said I was lesbian since 10th grade, like the beginning. What grade are you in? I don't know why I thought about that. I'm in 11th grade. I'm a junior. Favorite 21 Pilots song? Right now, I have been listening to car radio a lot. I used to listen to that a lot like a year and a half ago, and then I stopped listening to it, and then I heard it in one of my really old videos that was playing, that my sister was watching, and I started listening to it again, so that's one of my favorites right now. Are you dating someone? Oh, I already answered this. I'm single. A lot of questions about my ex. How do you feel about your ex? I'm glad that she's happy. I can tell that she's happy because I see her around school sometimes, and I at least I think she's happy. I don't talk to her in that way for her to tell me if she's happy or not, but I just hope that she's happy and that she's doing good. But I don't have any bad feelings towards her. So, do you like your relationship with your mom? Yeah, I do. We have a good relationship. It's just sometimes like we'll get mad at each other, but I mean, what mom and daughter doesn't get mad at each other? What's the oldest you would date? Legally, 17, because I can't be with an 18-year-old or higher because that would be illegal. So, do you prefer sweet or savory flavors? Sweet. Do you like surprises? No. What does your ideal date involve? Nothing like that's like too much pressure. Like, you know, like a full-on dinner, like fancy schmancy dinner. Like, I don't want that for a date. At least not like our first few dates, because I don't know. I don't know. Just me personally. So just like a chill date. It doesn't matter what it is as long as it's chill. My dad said always go gay, never forward. Which I asked him what that meant, and it's like, you know how people always say always go straight, never forward? He said always go gay, never forward. I still don't kind of get it, but I do get it. All-time favorite...
It goes always go forward, not straight. Because you don't want to say straight, because that's like discriminating against gay people.
Oh.
You're gay and you don't get it.
Anywho, all-time favorite Peep song. I can't tell you that. I have like 80. I don't even know. I like all of his songs. I think the only song that I kind of slightly don't go for is LA to London in his new album. Just because I feel like it's very like squeaky. I don't know. I heard it on when I was shuffling my music and I didn't really like it and I skipped it and I was like, oh, that was Peep, and I skipped it because I don't skip any of his songs unless I'm in a good mood and it's a sad song, then I'll skip it. But besides that, I don't normally skip his songs. Would you rather prefer to date studs or femmes? I don't know. I've never, well, I kind of was. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. Most of the time, I'll lean more towards studs, but lately it's been more of like femmes. Like the girl I was talking to a month ago, she's sort of feminine, but also a stud. Kind of like me. I wouldn't say I'm a stud, but I wouldn't say I'm femme either. Like I used to be femme, but now I'm more of like in between. There's not a name for that, and I'm kind of mad about it. There probably is, and I can't think of it right now. But, so I don't know. It honestly doesn't really matter to me. It really doesn't. And those are most of the questions. I didn't answer every single one of them because this is 26 minutes long. So, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. I almost forgot my outro.